In this video, we will share with you some tips for good sensor placement practices. Mount the sensor as close to the load zone as possible. If the load zone is guarded, then safely mount as close to the bearing location as you can. The closer you can get it to the bearing, the better the sensor can measure any vibration generated by the bearing components. Make sure the sensor is mounted solidly to the surface. When using a magnetic mounted sensor, be sure the sensor doesn't rock back and forth. Mount the sensor in the same place, as closely as you can, each time. A good way to do this is to mark the location with a permanent marker. A photo of the sensor located on the bearing is even better. Even though modern sensors are quite durable, mount the sensor as gently as if you were placing an egg onto the surface. If you slam it on, the sensor will measure a large vibration, and it will take a few seconds for that signal to settle down. A good way to prevent this is to place the sensor onto the surface at a slight angle and gently roll it into place. If you are using a sensor that is triaxial, be sure to orient the sensor in the same position as the previous time.